Hello everyone, this is Tina. In this video, I'm going to introduce and another, they are not related, okay, and navigate, because if I put them, separate them, the video is too short, okay, so short, and so I put them together. The first one is and prop. Changes the matching logic for active and pending state to only match the end of the nav link's path. If the URL is longer than 2, it will no longer considered active. So what happened is, suppose my nav link 2 task is configured like this way now, don't have the end. So if I use /task, it's gonna be true, which is you will see active, okay? And /task 1, 2, 3, you will also see true. Okay, but if just on that I add the end, when I add the end, this one can still consider true because it's exactly match. And if I do like this way, it's going to be false. Previous without end, it's true. Now with the end, it's gonna be false. Let me show you this one. So for my current setup, here on the we can do nav link, okay? For the nav link, I don't have the end. See here, I don't have the end. And also for the nav link about, let's use about because this one is too long, okay? Let's use about. For this about, I don't have an end here. Now, if I go to about, you will see this one is being highlighted. But if I go to about 1, 2, 3, you will still see about is being highlighted. But it's what thing? It's a no match. See here. Because I don't have a link to match /about /something else, right? /about /me. Yes, but you will see here, the about is what? About is highlighted, but the page is information is what? No match. That's a problem, right? But if I do like this way, yeah, definitely no match because we don't have a link called about 454545, right? But if I use about something else, you will see about page is highlighted, but here is no match. To solve the problem is what? To solve problem, you add an end. And will do exactly match, okay? So now if I type about, if I click about, definitely here's about page, here's about highlighted. But now if I use about me, okay? You will not see about being highlighted and the page is no match because I don't have page for /about /me, right? So it's not highlighted. That says end used for. And definitely if I use about me, we don't have a link for that. So it doesn't match. Okay, so the problem is to solve what? Solve without about, without end. When we type /about /me, you will see about this nav link is being highlighted. Okay. And that is not a it's not a correct case because the page is no match, okay? So here we can use end to fix it. Okay, now then about me is not highlighted anymore. The other case listed in the slides is if my here have a leading slash, usually we don't like it, okay, at the end of URL. And if you use /task, gonna be false, but with this one gonna be true, okay? Which is exactly match. The scenario is suppose here, as usual. Here, if my URL is a /about / have a leading slash, okay. And now if I do about, if we do about, it doesn't work anymore. See here, about is not highlighted, and a slash is highlighted, okay. Which is /about it. Do I have end there? I don't have end. Okay, it's been changed. Let's try one more time. /. Oh, by default it doesn't match. Okay, see here, /about doesn't match. /about doesn't match. When I do slash, it will, this one match, right? If I do about something else, it also match. Okay, this is we already demoed in previous one. Now let's go have an end there. And /match, okay. With that slash, doesn't match, okay. that could be a problem, right? Because in this case, I should see about, but it's not highlighted, guys. See here, it's not highlighted. Only slash can be highlighted, no matter we add end and not end, okay? And this one, definitely not a match, okay? So usually we don't add the leading slash, because add the leading slash, you're gonna have the problem. Here should be highlighted, but it's not, okay? So this case, I don't use quite often, okay? But it's good to know, okay? So don't add, we don't add the slash at the end. Here also will add an end for that to solve the problem, okay? So now when I go home, it highlighted, about highlighted, home highlighted, but if I use slash something else, it's not highlighted. Go to no match, okay? That is end used for end. Okay, this one is always false, okay, no matter we use slash or not using slash. Last one is a navigate. A navigate element can change the current location when it is rendered. Suppose now I want to do is, for this one, I'm going to have another route, okay? The route path is what? Path is slash home. And element is what? Element is the home. Okay, element is a home. And for this one, I'm going to do is, here I don't use home. Instead, I want to do is, when it goes to, here is slash, right? When it goes to this URL, I'm going to navigate to this link. Okay, so here you can use navigate. Okay. Then you can use a to what? To slash, oh, my bad. To what? To slash home. So when I click this URL, it will go to slash home. Okay, so here is slash, right? Slash doesn't have a component. Instead, I'll navigate to what? Navigate to home. So you will see when I go to this URL, you will see the URL will automatically have slash home after it navigated. Okay, so here. Now I go to slash. See here, it's going to be changed to be home. See here, click. This one is slash. Let's go back. Slash home is go to slash. Slash you will see home. Even though I go here like this way, you will see it's being changed to be home. The reason because of this navigate. When I click the slash, which is the home, is a slash link. It will go to element navigate to slash home. So it's going to this home and have a then render home page. Because here is another route, so the URL is not a slash, instead it's a slash home. That's navigate used for, okay? Use it as when you need it, okay? So this is the end of this video, and next video I'm going to cover nested routes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.